Hello and welcome back to the Oceanfront Builders channel. We're delighted to have you with us. If you're new here, Oceanfront Builders specializes in crafting resilient and beautiful homes throughout Southern California, placing a strong emphasis on safety and durability. We're based in Los Angeles and Orange counties, and are committed to sharing our knowledge to help you build a secure and comfortable living environment. Today, we're tackling a critical topic that can significantly impact the safety and longevity of your Southern California home: fire-resistant insulation. In a region prone to wildfires and other fire hazards, selecting the right insulation is not just about energy efficiency, it's about protecting your property and loved ones from the devastating effects of fire. We'll explore the different types of fire-resistant insulation available, their benefits, and why they are a particularly important consideration for homes in this region. In this video, we'll provide a comprehensive overview of fire-resistant insulation for Southern California homes. We'll discuss the benefits of using these materials, the different types available on the market, their fire resistance ratings, and the best practices for installation. We'll also touch on code requirements and how to ensure your home meets the necessary fire safety standards. Whether you're building a new home, remodeling, or simply looking to upgrade your insulation, this video will equip you with the knowledge you need to make informed decisions about fire protection. Before we get started, if you value home safety and want to learn more about protecting your property and loved ones from fire, please give this video a like and subscribe to our channel. Your support helps us continue bringing you valuable content that empowers you to create a safer and more resilient home. Why is fire-resistant insulation so crucial, especially in Southern California? The threat of wildfires is a constant reality in our region, and even urban areas can be susceptible to fire hazards. Fire-resistant insulation acts as a vital barrier, slowing down the spread of flames, providing valuable time for evacuation, and potentially saving your home from complete destruction. Here are some facts to consider about fire risks in Southern California. Many communities are located in or near wildfire-prone areas, making them particularly vulnerable to devastating blazes. The dry climate and seasonal Santa Ana winds create ideal conditions for wildfires to ignite and spread rapidly. Even in urban areas, electrical fires, cooking fires, and other accidental fires can pose a significant threat to homes. Here are the key benefits of incorporating fire-resistant insulation into your Southern California home. Fire-resistant insulation significantly slows the spread of flames, giving you and your family more time to evacuate safely. Every minute counts in a fire. Fire-resistant insulation can buy you those precious extra minutes. By slowing the fire's progress, fire-resistant insulation helps protect the structural integrity of your home, potentially preventing a collapse. Fire-resistant insulation can minimize the extent of fire damage, potentially saving valuable possessions. In many areas, fire-resistant insulation is required by building codes, ensuring a minimum level of fire protection. Here are some of the most common and effective types of fire-resistant insulation available for Southern California homes. Mineral wool insulation, also known as rock wool or slag wool, is made from recycled materials like rock and slag. It's naturally fire-resistant and can withstand temperatures up to 2,150 degrees Fahrenheit or 1,177 degrees Celsius. It also offers excellent soundproofing and thermal performance. Pros include excellent fire resistance, soundproofing, and thermal performance. However, it can be more expensive than fiberglass. Fiberglass insulation, while standard fiberglass is not inherently fire-resistant, certain types are treated with fire-retardant chemicals to improve their performance. It's a more affordable option. Pros include that it is relatively inexpensive and readily available. Cons are that it has lower fire resistance compared to mineral wool or spray foam, and it can cause skin and lung irritation during installation. Cellulose insulation, which is treated, is made from recycled paper and treated with borate chemicals to make it fire resistant. It's also a good option for soundproofing and can help reduce energy bills. Pros include that it is environmentally friendly, good for soundproofing, and relatively affordable. Cons are that it can settle over time, reducing its insulation effectiveness. Spray foam insulation, specifically closed cell, provides an excellent air barrier and can also offer some fire resistance. However, it's important to choose a fire-retardant formulation and ensure proper installation. Pros include an excellent air barrier, high R value, and some fire resistance. Cons are that it can be more expensive than other options, requires professional installation, and some formulations may release harmful chemicals during a fire. Fire resistance is typically measured using two key ratings. The flame spread index measures how quickly flames spread across the surface of the material. A lower number indicates better fire resistance. The smoke developed index measures the amount of smoke produced by the material when it burns. A lower number indicates less smoke production, which is important for visibility during a fire. Proper installation is crucial for ensuring the effectiveness of fire-resistant insulation. Here are some best practices to follow. Hire a qualified contractor with experience installing fire-resistant insulation and a thorough understanding of building codes. Seal any air leaks before installing insulation to prevent drafts and improve energy efficiency. Ensure that the insulation fits snugly within the wall cavities or attic space, without any gaps or compressions. Follow the manufacturer's instructions carefully during installation. Ensure adequate ventilation in attics and crawl spaces to prevent moisture buildup. Building codes in Southern California often specify minimum requirements for fire-resistant insulation, particularly in wildfire-prone areas. Be sure to check with your local building department to understand the specific code requirements for your project. Fire-resistant insulation is a key component of passive fire protection, which involves incorporating building materials and design features that slow or prevent the spread of fire. Other passive fire protection measures include fire-rated doors, fire-rated walls, and fire-stopping materials. While fire-resistant insulation is crucial, it's important to remember that it's just one component of a comprehensive fire safety plan. Other important measures include: install smoke detectors on every level of your home and test them monthly. Develop a fire escape plan and practice it with your family. Keep fire extinguishers readily accessible and know how to use them. Create a defensible space around your home by clearing vegetation and removing flammable materials. In the face of increasing fire hazards in Southern California, investing in fire-resistant insulation is a smart and responsible decision. By understanding the different types of insulation available, following proper installation procedures, and incorporating other fire safety measures, you can significantly enhance the safety of your home